Hi everybody! One quick thing before we get into this video. This video was supposed to go and be released before the holiday Ballooniganza videos in December. So you're going to hear me talk about the brand new studio you've never seen before, but you saw it in the other videos, so just go with it. It's still a good video. You get to have a tour of my setup here and stuff like that, and it's a lot of fun. So let's get started. Hey everybody, Jeff here, and I know it's been a little while since my last video, but that's what this video is for. I'm going to be explaining to you what I've been doing the past several months, and some of you might even notice the background in the video looks a little different this time. Well, that's because I just recently moved. Yes, I wanted to have a slightly larger space, and it gives me my very own balloon studio. So pretty. I'll give you a tour of the studio in just a little bit, but right now I would like to talk to you about my future plans for this channel. Yes, I have plans for weekly videos for the next couple of months to come, and even after that. But yeah, look forward to a lot of fun weekly videos, and let's get into a tour of the studio. Okay, so this is my studio here. We'll go over all this here just briefly, and then you'll see here, this is the part you don't normally get to see. A lot of fun. Anyways, so I got plenty of space. Over here is my workstation to refill things. I keep little things in here like headbands, these, I have my click-clicks in there. I have all my refillable materials here if I need talcum powder, Sharpies. These are interesting. I might do a video about these another time, so I'll keep those a secret. And just storage stuff. And then I have a hamper of popped balloons, and I use those for uninflated projects. Over here I have my 3 towers. It's a little messy, I gotta put stuff away. I just got done with the job. But over here, I'll just go quickly. We have 260s. We have standard colors, pastel colors, so those go in there. And then we have the earth tones, so we have the whites, the grays, the blacks, the browns. And then over here we have 160s, 360s, 660s. We have small specialty shapes, small again, more specialty shapes, rounds, hearts, things like that, specialty prints. And then over here we have the larger balloons, so 3 foots, large Linkaloons. Actually, I can show you something. Here is what I do with my prints. This way I can see them, and they're all lined up like this. So those go in there, and you just stuff that back in there. This is also for a future video. And then this is my uninflated workstation. I have all my working materials there, more storage. This is another interesting point. I might make a video about this another time. But yeah, so that's pretty much my studio. I have another hamper full of balloons that I use for uninflated stuff. And yeah, it's pretty organized. Oh, I will show you one more thing here. This is a banquet table cover. I have under here storage. So when you have packs of nozzled up balloons, but you only have a few left, I throw those in there, and then I use those for my restaurants. And then over there's my restaurant bag. Over there's my restaurant apron, road case, and then bags, empty bags. I recycle them. Yeah, and pretty much that's it. There's not a whole lot, but look at all this space. That's gonna do it for me, guys. Keep an eye out for this week's video. Remember, it comes out on Thursday, and I'll see you guys then. Bye-bye.